Hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, and I'm here today with Al Smith, the Executive Director of the Augusta Food Bank. Al, thanks for coming down.
Thanks, Rob.
Hey, over the weekend we had our April open house, just a weekend or two ago, depending on when this is put out. And we put a box out, of course, to see what we could do to get a few donations of non-perishables, as well as did a little money fundraising. We gave away Highway 95 with a small donation, and it really added up, I think, better than I expected. We ended up collecting a little over $325. We have a little box of food here. And Al, how important is that? I mean, to me, it didn't sound like a lot of money.
Right. Well, first of all, Rob, thank you so much for the support. I want to thank the customers for coming in and supporting us as well. What people don't realize is what you collected, $350, I can buy 2,400 pounds of food.
Man, that just sounds like it's a lot of food.
I want you to think about that for a second. If you take a needy family, if I can collect and be able to hand out 2,400 pounds, I can help a lot of families. Wow. So yeah, people don't realize how valuable every little donation is for us. Through Good Shepherd, I can buy 8 pounds of food per dollar.
Wow.
So this, as small as you thought it was, is huge to us. And I thank you, I thank your customers and everybody who supported it.
Al, if somebody else wanted to start sending, even anonymously, donations to the food bank, how would they get in touch with you, or how would they get that money to you or donations to you?
They can call 622-5225. That's a direct line into me. You can call me and talk. You can send it to the Augusta Food Bank at 161 Mount Vernon Avenue. Send a check there. We have a Facebook page where you can click on PayPal and do it that way. So any way they're interested, and again, every dollar counts.
And I'm glad we were able to help out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, Al. Once again, Rob Brown with Al Smith, the Executive Director of the Augusta Food Bank. If you do get a chance or feel so inclined, slide by Mount Vernon Ave. You've got a nice new facility down there. They're able to cover what is the Augusta and Manchester area is really where the needs are that this particular food bank is supporting, and they can always use your help. There's a need in this community, and it's for us to step up and help out. So, hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog. Very happy that my company and our customers were to step up and do this for the Augusta Food Bank.